Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. On the left hand side, you're going to go down to online store and you're going to jump over to the main part of the page and you will see customize, and next to that 3 dots. Those 3 dots will offer you a couple options, and here you're going to look for edit default theme content. Now once you're in here, you're going to go over to the top where it says filter items and you're going to type in powered. Now this will offer you any results with that word in it, and you're going to now look for the powered by Shopify heading, and here it is. Now there are 2 ways you can do this. You can use a space bar or you can use a full stop. You can now go ahead and tap on save. Okay, so we're going to say save down here. And then you can go into your store and check if it has worked. Now, as a failsafe, if it has not worked, you can go back to your themes page. And from here, you can hit those 3 dots again. And here you can tap on edit code. All right, so this is very simple. If you are looking on the left-hand side, you are going to see all of your files. And again, in the filter files, you are going to look for footer. Okay, you can type in footer, and here you will look for footer.liquid. We're going to open this up. Now we can click anywhere in here, and then we are going to, if you are on a PC, you're going to go Control F. If you are using a Mac, you're going to go and hit Command F, and it'll bring up this search bar over here. Now this search bar allows you to search within this code. Now again, we are going to type in powered. And on the right hand side, you will see there is a next, and let's tap on the next. Now it's around about line 356. Okay, it could be a couple lines up or down depending on the specifics of your specific page. And we can see now that it is the powered by link. We're going to click just over here and we can actually backspace and delete this whole line. Okay, until there is nothing there, including that space. From here, we're going to go up to the top and tap on save. And once we're done, it is 100% for sure that that powered by Shopify has gone. You can check that by going to your online store and tapping on the little eyeball button, and it'll open up your storefront. And if you go all the way to the bottom of your page where the powered by Shopify button should be, it is no longer there. Now, if you found this guide helpful, we have tons of Shopify guides, tips, and tricks. So go ahead, explore our channel, have some fun, learn, grow. I will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.